We all know that XRP holders are very much anticipating the end of the lawsuit charged by the SEC to Ripple XRP. And did you know that the verdict was just announced secretly, so the SEC trial will end soon? To know the truth behind this, you have to stay tuned to watch this video. Welcome to Crypto Live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. An apparently obscure legal struggle between the Securities and Exchange Commission and fintech company Ripple Labs may shed light on the SEC's regulatory power over the $2.2 trillion crypto market. This was after the SEC filed a complaint against Ripple Labs, a worldwide payments platform, in December 2020, saying that the company had violated securities regulations by neglecting to register its XRP coin as security, which is no longer a news story for us. It is because Jay Clayton, then SEC chair, made one of his last moves before leaving office after Joe Biden's victory over Donald Trump in the 2020 presidential election. Meanwhile, a secret verdict was announced by the judge in the Ripple vs. SEC trial, and we are about to find out the verdict. And perhaps this is due to the non-refundable tokens, or NFTs, which have been dominating the crypto market this year. Furthermore, given that sales in the first half of 2021 exceeded $2.5 billion, it's no surprise that the crypto community and the key creators are creating NFT in the hopes of growing revenue and participation. Now we'll talk about the current price of XRP, which is a fascinating piece of cryptocurrency news. With a remarkable reversal from the bearish trap, the XRP price astounded the crypto market and rallied impressively before hitting firm support levels. Moreover, with the current rate of increase, the price is expected to reach new highs in the double digits. Furthermore, some analysts anticipate the price will rise by a significant amount to roughly $20 to $30 in the near future. As a result, the possibility of a settlement in the Ripple vs. SEC dispute and the asset's relisting has surfaced. Furthermore, the bulls are trying to come back as XRP broke through and closed above the upper barrier at $1.24 on November 8th. Meanwhile, the bears tried to knock the price down to $1.24, but were unable to do so. Consequently, this indicates that the bulls have transformed the $1.20 support level into resistance, and this level can now be used as a starting point for the upward movement's following stage. Moreover, the pound sterling to US dollar pair could increase to $1.41, where bears are expected to present stiff opposition. And if the price lowers from $1.41 to $1.24, it means that traders are still buying on the downside. Certainly, this increases the likelihood of a breakout by $1.41. And this bullish outlook will be shattered if the bears succeed in keeping the price below the 20-day EMA. In addition, in the third week of November, the live price per XRP token is $1.21 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.6 billion. As well as you all know, the price of XRP to USD is updated in real time. Going back, the ongoing legal battle between the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the blockchain startup Ripple is taking new twists. Additionally, the court recently granted Ripple's motion to close the privileged logs, giving Ripple a victory over the SEC. Now, it was the plaintiff's turn to take a chance. Earlier in the case, the court issued a text-only order directing the company to perform a reasonable search for relevant video and audio recordings, as well as prepare relevant records about internal meetings. In summary, Ripple's prior search for recorded meetings was halted since it was insufficient in the circumstances. In a series of tweets, defense attorney and former federal prosecutor James K. Phelan addressed the same issue. Further, the verification of over 64,000 documents by people was initially deemed unreasonable by Judge Magistrate Sarah Netburn. The reply, on the other hand, was instructed to allow automatic record transcribing and employ search queries in the future. In addition, everyone has been given the task of conducting a reasonable search for pertinent video and audio recordings, as well as preparing the necessary documentation. However, the court urged both parties to meet and consult to establish when the data could be most responsive to the SEC's disclosure needs, in order to decrease the burden of the search. Moreover, Ripple and its leadership were dealt a significant setback. Additionally, the hearing concluded as follows. Ripple is ordered accordingly to make such efforts without delay, in light of the closing of the opening. As previously stated, mutual discussion of the given materials did not prove to be mutually advantageous for both parties. In reality, it caused the hearings to be postponed for a few months. On the contrary, the recent outcome did not come as a complete surprise to one notable crypto lawyer. As many people count down the days till the trial is completed, attorney Jeremy Hogan has offered his predictions for when the SEC versus Ripple case will be resolved. Further, the SEC's motions were granted in part and refused in part by the judge, and the judge authorized the SEC to take 5 more depositions while dismissing a 6th as unripe without prejudice. More importantly, the SEC's request to search for records of Ripple's general counsel and deputy general counsel was denied by the court because they were private communications. Also, the judge refused the SEC's request for Ripple's documents relating to its lobbying operations, as well as the production of documents post-dating the complaint. So we expected this ruling to go against Ripple. And keep in mind that while such an order may provide the SEC with a few shots for its pistol, the SEC's proposal to strike a blow to the protection of fair notice is the next significant order. However, while some members of the XRP community were supportive of the fintech startup, others were not. One participant even stated that XRP is dead and will become even more dead once the SEC wins. Despite the lawsuit, the San Francisco-based company has observed major shifts in its ecosystem, whether it's through partnerships or the price of your own token. Furthermore, the court order was only released in writing in order to undertake a reasonable search for relevant video and audio recordings and compile relevant papers concerning their internal meetings, according to the latest update in the XRP lawsuit. Under the circumstances, the court found that Ripple's previous search of its recorded sessions was insufficient. Additionally, when ordering the discovery, the court also stated that examining more than 64,000 documents by a single person would be unreasonable, and that from now on, Ripple should enable automatic transcriptions of recordings and employ searches. In addition, the court invited both parties to meet and confer in order to assess the time frame during which the records could be most responsive to the SEC's discovery obligations. So, Ripple challenged the plaintiff's motion to compel discovery last month, claiming that the Commission's need to boil the ocean is incompatible with federal regulations, and the plaintiff's request was excessive, considering the massive amount of materials already submitted at discovery. Moreover, the SEC's order that Ripple verifies every record in the Blue Jeans and Zoom databases for responsiveness and privileges violates Rule 26b1 and blurs the line between looking for responsive content and reviewing every record Ripple said. The SEC, on the other hand, contended that the defense could readily decrypt the recordings and then look through the decrypted text to perform an efficient and effective search, rather than combing through hundreds of them all at once, as the court has now directed Ripple to do. Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, claimed that as part of his diverse portfolio, he invested his personal funds in cryptocurrency. Cook disclosed his own investments in a crypto portfolio at a Deal Book conference in the New York Times, but did not indicate which cryptocurrency he invested in. While Cook is willing to risk his own money on cryptography, he has ruled out any plans for Apple to begin accepting crypto payments due to the significant risk component. Additionally, Cook stated that Apple will not be investing any of its funds in Bitcoin in the near future. However, Apple's CEO did not hesitate to hint at future plans involving digital assets, saying that there are other things that we are definitely examining from the standpoint of the decentralized realm. In addition to basic investments or payment gateways, Cook has also expressed an interest in NFT. He did say, though, that it will take some time for it to play out in a way that is understandable to regular people. Given the history of crypto fraud on the Apple Pay store, any large crypto integration is being thoroughly monitored. By the third quarter, Apple had become entangled in a legal battle over its careless verification process, and after a fake program in the Apple App Store, a deep class action lawsuit was brought against Apple. Now, do you think XRP will be able to maintain its current position? Well, I believe it is really possible, as the XRP coin's current price is $1.21, and the market cap of the XRP coin is also increasing every day. In such a situation, XRP coins can reach even $20. There is no doubt about it. So by the end of 2035, as far as I'm concerned, the price of XRP coin could reach $20 or even higher. So that concludes the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto updates.